He brought his HP printer.
Gotta get it.
I mean, is this a joke right here? Or
Gotta
no?
get it. Gotta get it.
What's going on, mother truckers? I'm out here at the 595 just hanging out. I see my man come into the lunchroom. He brought his HP printer.
Gotta get it.
I mean, is this a joke right here? Or
Gotta
no?
get it. Gotta get it.
So, what are you doing when you get out of the truck?
Well, I still got paperwork to do. I still got customers to contact and papers to send in, so work never stops for me.
That's crazy, man.
Still gotta get it.
My man brought in a printer, y'all.
Yes, sir.
You know, shout out
There
your
you go.
company, man. I want to show you some love.
Daryl Flood Mayflower, 439.
I love it. I love it, man. How long you been trucking, brother?
27 years.
27 years?
Yes, sir.
I mean, a couple words of advice for the young guns or the new ones that driving. Any words of advice at all?
Slow down, take your time.
I love it, man. I appreciate you so much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. What's going on with the truckers? I get asked this question every day. What does it take to be successful in trucking? And the answer is honestly, it takes a lot of hard work. You got to come to work every day. But the biggest part that I'm going to say that's going to make you different, that's going to make you better than who you are right now, is you got to stay disciplined. There are so many people that have bad habits as company drivers, and they think when they become an owner-operator that they're just going to be better, they're going to be on time. No, you need to treat your business like the way you see it in the future. And I ran into this gentleman, 27 years of experience. He gets out of his truck. He brings a printer with him. Why? Because he needs to print out paperwork. He needs to keep on going. And he said something interesting to me. He says, as a successful owner-operator, successful truck driver, you have to wear many hats. So when he has his truck driver hat, he makes sure he's driving. Now when he gets out, now he puts on his office manager hat. He takes his printer. While he's eating food, he prints out what he needs. That's the discipline and dedication you need to make it in trucking. And if you're not willing to do that, if you're the type of person that doesn't take accountability for themselves and waits for others and makes excuses for everything in your life, you're definitely not going to cut it out as a truck driver, especially not an owner-operator. But mother truckers, I know you could do this. I believe in you. You know, it's not as hard as people say it is. The hardest part is the mental stress. The hardest part is being away from family. You know, if you have true grit, I know you can make this work. I know you're watching this video right now because you find yourself wanting something more in life. And getting my CDL really helped me and changed my life and built it up to an exponential level that I could never have. But if I would take anything out of any success that I've ever had, you just gotta keep on grinding, keep on working, but you gotta stay disciplined. And you gotta love what you do. Mother truckers, I wish you guys the best. I appreciate you guys so much. Grab some merch if you like. You know, a lot of people are always asking, you know, go to the HMIshow.com. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you.